Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be talking about the VTech Learning Walker.
The sun is shining.
If you guys would like some more information on the VTech Learning Walker, just be sure to check my video description for some more information. So this was something that was given to me as a gift by a family member. It was super easy to put together, and it is both educational and also helps your child learn to walk. So it kind of has two things that are really, really great about it. My son is walking. He's 19 months. He started walking about 3 months ago. Every child's different. Some kids start walking at 9 months, and then some just start walking like a little bit later. So he started walking like a little later. I broke this out and I started, using it a lot with him, especially outside. You could take it outside. I just wouldn't leave it in like the rain or anything like that. But if you don't have much room in your house to use it, then I definitely suggest going outside with it, and your child can kind of get their energy out and walk a lot with it. So the VTech Learning Walker is really nice. It comes in like, it comes with a bunch of different colors and stuff like that. And it's easy to put together. My mom actually put this together in like several minutes. So this actually comes off if you want it to. I just left it on because my son likes to play with it that way.
Our learning farm. We have much to
You can see all the buttons light up.
And colors, music too. There's so much to do.
Has a catchy
It's a
song.
farmyard sing-along.
And I don't know where this is right now, but a yellow plastic phone actually goes there, and my son was obsessed with like taking it off and spinning it around on the table. So that I don't even know where it is right now, but it is a yellow phone, like a telephone. So this opens up. They have a cow on here. You press all, these are actually all buttons. You press them. This spins. There's the do, re, mi, fa, so. So it's all those buttons. Has these like little spinny things at the bottom. So it's super fun for kids to play with.
The sun is shining.
Even like 6 months old, like when they're sitting up, they could actually play with this. They don't have to use it as a walker. So it has like multi-uses. And then it's like super easy to just push. And then if you move it, it kind of starts going off. It came boxed by VTech, and like I said, easy to put together. It was like in a couple different pieces. Easy to clean. I usually just use like a Clorox wipe, but you could probably just use like a wipe with like soap and water for it to clean it. And then spin it around so you guys could see the back. This is what the back of it looks like. It's all plastic. Like I said, I brought it outside. It's easy to wipe down. But yeah, my son would like walk around the backyard with it. And I really think it helped him learn to walk. And then he still plays with it now. Even though he's walking, like he could still like play with all the buttons and stuff like that. He likes to pull on this. As you can see, it has a lot of buttons and different things. This is the barnyard. You could turn it off. There's 2 different volume settings on there. This spins like I showed you. So the kids like, babies like that stuff. It's all like very interactive. Everything on here is interactive. The bright colors are great for the kids. The different music, the lights, they kind of just get like really excited when they see it. So the VTech Learning Walker is definitely something I suggest, if you're having a baby, or if you need a gift for a baby, like especially a first birthday gift. I think that's what my son got this for, and it was like absolutely perfect for that. So guys, this was the VTech Learning Walker. It comes with its own batteries, but I think you eventually would have to replace them. I definitely suggest it. I think it's educational. I think it's great for helping them learn to walk. I think it just has so many purposes, and I find this to be a very, very useful toy. So I thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys found it useful, please feel free to go ahead and leave me a comment or a like. Thanks guys, and have a great day.